today's video, I'll show you how to use Pandadoc Workspaces to organize multiple teams in 2025. If you're managing projects or documents across different groups, this will keep everything neat and efficient. Start by heading to pandadoc.com and clicking Login at the top of the homepage. For a quick start, choose the Google Sign-In option. Just make sure you pick the correct Google account if you manage more than one. Pandadoc Dashboard. Now, let's set up your structure. Go to Settings, located in the top right or the side menu. From here, select Workspaces. Think of workspaces like dedicated rooms for each team, separate but still part of the same house. Click Create Workspace, then give it a clear name like your team's name or project title so everyone knows exactly where to collaborate. Confirm your choice, and your new workspace is ready. That's it. Teams can stay organized, streamline documents, and boost collaboration. Adjust settings anytime as your needs grow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with